Daddy Monkey Stories.
A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y and Z.
A for apple. A for apple. Today I will tell you a story. There was an alligator. He saw an ant. Ant said there was an anaconda. Alligator went to bring an axe. He wanted to kill the anaconda. So he brought the axe and the alligator hit the anaconda with his axe. A for axe. Ant was dancing. Then the alligator killed the anaconda. Yeah! And then he called an ambulance. And the ambulance took away the anaconda. Ant and alligator wanted to go to their home. So they called an aeroplane. The aeroplane came and they both sat on the aeroplane and flew away. A for alligator. A for alligator. A for ant. A for ant. A for axe. A for axe. A for anaconda. A for anaconda. A for ambulance. A for ambulance. A for aeroplane. A for aeroplane. A for alligator. A for ant. A for axe. A for anaconda. A for ambulance. A for aeroplane. Let's clap for A. Dear kids, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and don't forget to share it with your friends. Bye bye.